सभी बच्चों को मेरी प्यार भरी ब्लेसिंग्स। तो सारे बच्चे जो 10th पास करके आते हैं और फिर जो साइंस में एडमिशन लेते हैं, तो इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम हो या मेडिकल स्ट्रीम हो, सभी में एनसीईआरटी तो करनी करनी। और यहाँ पे आपको एक बड़ा सरप्राइजिंग एलिमेंट मिलेगा केमिस्ट्री में, वो ये कि कक्षा 10 तक तो जो भी आपकी केमिस्ट्री है उसमें बहुत कम चीज़ें हैं, मैटर अराउंड अस, और थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन कार्बन का, और थोड़ा सा कंपाउंड क्या होता है, और मिक्सचर क्या होता है, और ये सब चीज़ें करके और केमिस्ट्री 10th की 9th की ख़त्म कर दी जाती है। तो एक इम्प्रेशन सा बच्चों को रहता है कि भाई केमिस्ट्री तो रखने वाला सब्जेक्ट है और उसको हम ऐसे ऐसे अपना कर लेंगे, एंड ओनली a little number of students understand that the chemistry involves a lot more calculations, a lot more arithmetic skills, and all these things together. So many times I felt with the student that they are so angry after they come into this stream just because of chemistry, because something unexpected happens with them. What unexpected is that? वो जो अनएक्सपेक्टेड है वो ऐसे है कि कुछ बच्चे तो रोने लगते हैं, पर्टिकुलर मेडिकल स्ट्रीम में जो गर्ल्स होती है पर्टिकुलर, यदि हमने तो इसी वजह से तो ये हमने मेडिकल स्ट्रीम लिया था कि मुझे कैलकुलेशन नहीं करनी पड़ेगी, इसमें तो इतना कैलकुलेशन हम कैसे करेंगे? So yes, this happens, and so I'm just at the beginning. This is just not the warning, but this is just an introduction that yes, a lot more calculations are there. So you people have to be ready for a lot more the arithmetical calculations, and some algebraic applications as well, with the differential, integral, everything. So some basic mathematics is involved in particularly in the physical chemistry, right? The organic is full of reasoning and full of the analytical skills. However, in the organic chemistry, the calculations are rare, but yes, it needs a lot of reasoning and analytical skills. तो केवल ऐसे सोच के नहीं चलना है कि इसमें तो केमिस्ट्री में तो ऐसे हमारा काम चल जाएगा, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा बेटा। तो अभी जो पहला चैप्टर है इसका नाम है सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन केमिस्ट्री, ये नाम है, एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली एंड ट्रूली इट इज अ पावर पैक्ड chapter that has a bunch of bunch of the concepts that you have to use in the future course, and that is why because this chapter is a bunch of the concepts. So just on the basis of the number of pages, just on the basis of the topics covered, just on the basis of the number of headings that you go for the studies in this chapter, you need not to uh, weigh this chapter. The weightage of this chapter is, it is it is influencing whole of the future course of your chemistry. So this chapter have a lot more weightage that you cannot understand right now. So just you have to follow me. Some students are very much reluctant to follow anybody. They think that how I should follow anybody. Like, but you have to follow me. But because because when I'm your teacher, teacher means guide. So if I'm the guide, then you have to follow me. Otherwise, otherwise, I'm not your guide. So if you accept me as a guide, okay, so just try to understand what I'm saying, you better. If you accept me as your guide, then you have to follow me. There is no other way. Otherwise, you do not choose me. It's very simple. The world is full of opportunities, world is full of options. So I'm just one of the option to be with us for your chemistry. A lot more options are there. So this is my very sincere advice to all of you whoever listen this video message, that if you choose me, then you have to follow me, because I will be your guide, and guides has to be followed. Simple. Coaches has to be followed. I am your coach. I am your coach for your chemistry. I am guide for your chemistry. I am teacher for your chemistry. So you have to follow me if you want to learn the chemistry, if you want to score well in the chemistry, if you want to succeed, and you want to do something well in the chemistry subject, then you need to follow me. This is my sincere advice. And trust me, you will be benefited. All of you will be benefited, surely. So the 11th are very much bubbling students. I have special love and affection to all the 11th. However, this chapter is equally important for the 12th students and the students who are preparing for the JEE and for the NEET, whosoever the level, whether the JEE mains is there or the JEE advance is there, whatsoever the exam, this chapter is so important, because it influences whole of the chemistry. So I just not want to indulge you today in this first lecture in the chemistry subject. Just I want to make you prepare. I want to make your mind ready. You have to be ready yourself to go through the subject with me. Go through the subject with me. And probably for you, and surely for me, you will excel. You will be excellent in the subject, whatsoever your previous knowledge is. But if you follow me properly, you will excel in the subject. There is no doubt in my side. Probably word is used for you, because you may not believe me like I believe on me on myself. So in that case, you will think probably I'll also do it. Probably I also may get good marks. Probably I also excel in the chemistry. Yes, this probably will convert into the surely if you follow me very early, very early. Within 2, 3, or 4 classes, you will surprisingly increase your confidence in the subject, and you will realize that yes, something is happening. Okay, all the best to all of you, and we will start with the next. uh, the first chapter, the some basic concepts, and that we will discuss in a seamless manner. In a seamless manner. What does it mean, a seamless? That your 11th is covered, right? Your JEE mains is covered, your NEET is covered, and your JEE advanced is also covered in the seamless manner. There is jerks, no boundary walls. That yes, up to this point, this is the uh, board. After that, this is the JEE mains, and then after that, this is the J. No, not at all like this, because actually there is no certain boundaries in the subject. So you have to, in a holistic approach, you have to prepare your mind to understand the things holistically. The whole picture you have to take in your mind in a precise and accurate manner that I'll provide you, being your guide. Okay, okay. So just once again, I hope all the best to all of you. Best wishes for your preparation, whatever the exam. Okay, thank you. God bless. God bless. Thanks.